Hi, I'm Sean Ellis, and together with Oleg Yakubenkov, we're excited to welcome you to GoPractice, the world's first simulator for data-driven product growth. So what's a simulator? A simulator is a lot like the flight simulators that pilots use to learn how to fly, but in this case, you're learning how to grow a company. So in 12 short weeks, you will gain world-class skills in data, product, and growth. So how does it work? In the simulation, you'll be hired into a VC-backed startup. Your initial role will be to help to answer some questions for the team by running queries in Amplitude. So you'll actually be running queries in a real Amplitude instance. Over time, you're going to be promoted into a role where you have to make some tough product and growth decisions yourself. But don't worry, you're going to have a friendly virtual mentor with you who's going to be able to help you navigate these decisions and deal with sometimes challenging colleagues. With focused effort, you'll gain the experience and confidence so that you'll be able to quickly get better results, and the program will really pay for itself. And you'll actually be able to try it risk-free. If you get started and it's not what you're expecting, we'll be happy to give you a full refund. And for a limited time, Oleg and I are offering weekly Zoom calls where you'll be able to ask us questions, we'll review the chapters, and you can really ask us how you can apply the lessons to your business. So go ahead and sign up and take your growth to the next level.